Hi, Theo here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape Facebook ads. We'll do this with an Apify actor called Facebook Ad Scraper. With this, you can extract page details, page URLs, CTA type, the amount of money spent, images, report counts, and reach estimates. What can you do with this data? If you're a marketer, content creator, or just trying to understand what makes ads work, scraping Facebook ads gives you fast, real insights. No more manual browsing through the ad library. Let's say you want to know what your competitors are running. A Facebook ad scraper lets you pull ad copy, visuals, targeting, and even spend data automatically. You can track trends, compare ad formats, and see which CTAs are getting used, all without spending hours collecting examples. For agencies and performance marketers, this means better benchmarking and faster A/B testing. For brands entering new markets, it's a shortcut to see how top advertisers are reaching your audience. And if you're working in journalism, research, or policy, you can monitor political campaigns or flag misinformation in real time. Even if you're a freelancer or solopreneur, scraping ads shows you exactly how top brands craft their campaigns, so you can learn and apply it to your own. Whether it's for competitive research, campaign inspiration, or content creation, this is how you stop guessing and start using real ad data. And the best part is you don't need to jump through hoops to get this data. Facebook Ad Scraper makes things simple. No login, no cookies, no browser extension. It runs in the cloud, and you can export results in JSON, CSV, Excel, or use the API. All right, enough theory. Let's scrape Facebook ads. To do this, we're going to be using the ready-made Facebook Ad Scraper from Apify Store. First, head to the link in the description, which will take you to Facebook Ad Scraper's README. Click on Try for Free, which will send you to the login page, and you can get started with a free Apify account. No credit card required, and there's no time limit on the free plan. After logging in, you'll land on the actor's input page. While you can configure this through either the intuitive UI or JSON, we'll stick with the UI option to keep it easy. For scraping Facebook ads data, we need a URL of a Facebook page we want to extract the data from. So input it here. However, you can input a URL from the Facebook ads library itself if you prefer to scrape keywords or use Meta's advanced filters in their tool. You can do a deep crawl and scrape even specific keywords used by an account, or even filter out a bunch of parameters within the accounts. Simply input your desired keyword or page, select filters if you need, and copy the URL from the toolbar. Then, as with the page method, paste the URL into the input here. You can add more via the Add button, edit them in bulk, or add in a text file. Next, we can limit how many results we want. After that, we see two toggles. One asks if you want only the total count of ads per page. If this feature is used, only total count of ads will be saved per page scroll. The other one will just enable scraping ad details. Lastly, you can set if you want to scrape active ads, inactive ones, or both. Before running the actor, it's a great idea to save your configuration and create a task. This will come in handy for scheduling or integrating your actor with other tools, or if you plan to work with multiple configurations. Now that we have the input, let's run the actor by hitting Start. You can watch your results appear in Overview or switch to the Log tab to see more details about the run. Now that your run is finished, you can get the data via the Export button. You can choose the format you want and select which fields you want to include or exclude in your dataset. Then just hit Download and you have your dataset file. Let me show you what this looks like in JSON format. If you want to automate your workflow even more, you can schedule your Facebook Ad Scraper to run at regular intervals. Choose your task and hit Schedule. You can set the frequency of how often you want to run the actor. You can even connect your scraper to other cloud services, such as Google Drive, Zapier, or any other Apify actor. You can also run the scraper locally via API. You can find the code in Node.js, Python, or curl in the API drop-down menu in the top right corner. To learn more about retrieving data programmatically, check out our video on the subject. Need more Facebook or Instagram data? Check out our other scrapers in Apify Store. We've got dozens of meta scrapers. Links are in the description. If you prefer video tutorials, we have a playlist covering different Instagram and Facebook scraping use cases. That's all for today. Let us know what you think about Facebook Ad Scraper. And remember, if you come across any issues, make sure to